God, for the love of everything, why are these stickers so hard to get out? Hello, welcome to another dynamic do-it-yourself video, and today we are going to make eyeglass cleaner. I say eyeglass, but you can also make this to clean any type of eyewear that you have. And we're going to use a few simple ingredients. We're going to use water, alcohol, and a little bit of detergent. Let's get started. First, I have used my little measuring cup and I've poured in an ounce of water. You can use distilled water if you desire, but I just use regular tap water for this. So I have 1 ounce of tap water. Now I will use an ounce of alcohol. So I'm filling it up to the 2nd ounce mark there. Okay, so that's it, water and alcohol. Now, these 2 ingredients, which you probably have around the house, easily accessible. Now, as for our soap, we're going to use just 1 drop. We'll be very careful here. Oh, okay. I think that's about it. Might be a little bit more than a drop, a little bit more than I want, but that's okay. So I'll stir it just a little bit. Now, and I have here a container, a little spritz bottle here. And this takes in 2 ounces. So we'll pour our solution into this bottle. There we go. This type of container, you can find this at a lot of different places. You can find it at a little bargain store or whatnot. You can get this online. I'm sure there's a lot of little retailers that you might find online that sells containers like this. But once you buy it, you know you're only going to get it once. So give it a little gentle swish. And when we're ready to use it, get those glasses, give it a little spritz. Ooh, there we go, nice. I'm using a tissue. Tissues are not the best because it does leave lint, but I'm using a tissue right now for this purpose because my handkerchiefs are being laundered. That sounded fancy, didn't it? No, I don't have any handkerchiefs. I usually use a shirt. I'm keeping it real. Anyway, so that's the front. And let me get the backs. And I already can tell just by looking at them from a distance that I have really given these a really nice clean. I don't see any fingerprints. I do see a little residual dust from the tissue, but that's okay. So that is it. Now, and if I want to be a little fancy, I want to make sure that this doesn't get confused with something else, like maybe my yoga mat spray or something of that nature. This is something that you can do. Really simple, very easy. Right now, school has pretty much just started, and you can see stickers, really simple, really easy, accessible in the stores. So I might just do something just really simple as get me an alphabet set of stickers and just put down the word I. So this way, in the family, whoops, I wrecked part of that Y there, but you get the idea of what's going on here, right? It doesn't have to be perfect, just have to be useful. Okay, there we go. Get the last E here. Trying to, well, I ripped up part of that E, but that's okay. Once again, it's all about saving money. There we go. And let's see here. There's that other piece of the E there. I could just stick it on there. Or maybe not, but you get the gist of it, right? Just something simple. Simple there. See the word I. And just let the family know this is the eyeglass cleaner. All right, so that's it. And eyeglass cleaner is very expensive. They have a lot of preservatives in them, and sometimes some work, some don't. This is going to be up close to your eye. You don't want to have a lot of things in there that's going to affect your eyesight. You don't want anything to do harm to your vision. So just using some water, some alcohol, and a little bit of soap, and you got something there. So if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up. If you want more videos like this, hit that subscribe button, and until next time. God, for the love of everything, get rid of all little